BKP is just an abbreviation for backup. Programmers use it to safely store a copy of a file before editing. Try renaming it to TXT or its original extension to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try the rename trick. My experience tells me that some BKP files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. In the hierarchy of files, the BKP is categorized under the backup file grouping. The data stream is defined entirely by the generic backup file format. A BKP file is associated with Zapback, a backup solution, and general backup processes. It typically contains a copy of data from a specific source, such as files, databases, or system configurations, created to restore the system to a previous state in case of data loss or corruption. The file's contents are structured to facilitate efficient restoration. The internal structure of a BKP file depends on the backup software used. It may contain a compressed archive of files, a database dump, or a system image. The file often includes metadata about the backup, such as the date and time it was created, the source data, and the backup settings. Encryption may be used to protect sensitive data. Windows often defaults to associating BKP with the Zapback solution from Zaplots Games, Inc. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can't interpret proprietary backup schemes, so viewing content requires matching software. First, identify the creator. Determine the original application, e.g. QuickBooks, database, or a financial program, that created the BKP file. Next, use the original app's restore function. Launch the original application and use its file, restore, or file. Import, backup, menu, option. Finally, rename extract. Rename the file extension to zip or rar and attempt to open it with a universal archive tool like 7-zip. The file issue should be gone for good. I appreciate the loyal subscribers. New viewers, please subscribe and welcome to the team.